Hello students, welcome to NIRS Education channel. Today let us start a new lesson from your Moments textbook. Name of the lesson is Weathering the Storm in Ersama. Before we start the lesson, let's have a small introduction about the lesson. The cyclone that hit Orissa in October 1999 killed thousands of people and devastated hundreds of villages. For 2 dreadful nights, Prashant, a young man, was marooned on the roof of a house. On the third day, he decided to go to his village. Did he find his family? See here. The cyclone that hit Orissa in October 1999 killed thousands of people and devastated means ruined or destroyed, completely destroyed hundreds of villages. For 2 dreadful means terrible nights, Prashant, a young man, was marooned on the roof of a house. There is a person named Prashant, young man Prashant was marooned on the roof of a house. He marooned means stayed or took shelter on the roof of a house. On the third day, he decided to go to his village. Actually, he was there in another village when the cyclone hit, and he took shelter on the roof of his friend's house. 2 days he stayed there. On the third day, he decided to go to his village. Did he find his family? If he had found his family or not. Regarding that, we are going to see in this lesson. Now, let us start the lesson. On 27th October 1999, 7 years after his mother's death, Prashant had gone to the block headquarters of Ersama, a small town in coastal Orissa, some 18 kilometers from his village, to spend the day with a friend. In the evening, a dark, menacing storm quickly gathered. See here, on 27th October 1999, 7 years after his mother's death, Prashant had gone to block headquarters of Ersama. Prashant went to Ersama, a small town in coastal Orissa. Ersama is a small town in coastal part of Orissa, some 18 kilometers from his village. That place, Ersama, was 18 kilometers away from his village. To spend the day with a friend, he went to Ersama in order to spend the day with his friend. His friend was there in Ersama, so he decided to spend a day with his friend, so he went there. In the evening, the dark and menacing storm quickly gathered. In the evening time, the dark and menacing storm quickly gathered. Menacing means, you see, dangerous and harmful. Dangerous and harmful storm quickly gathered. Winds beat against the houses with speed and fury that Prashant had never witnessed before. And winds beat against the houses. They hit the houses with speed and fury. Fury means wild or violent anger. Okay, with speed and anger, wind beats the houses. That Prashant had never witnessed before. Prashant had never seen this kind of terrible wind in his life earlier. Heavy and incessant rain filled the darkness. Earlier, wind came, after that, heavy and incessant rain started to fall. Okay. Heavy and incessant. Incessant means continuous. Okay. Unceasing or continual. Continual rain started to fall. And that rain filled the darkness. Ancient trees were uprooted and crashed to the earth. Ancient means old trees were uprooted. They uprooted and crashed on the earth. Crash means fall or come down violently. Okay, in a violent manner they fell. Screams rent the air as people and houses were swiftly washed away. Yes, screams rent. Screams occupy the air as the people and houses were swiftly washed away. Okay. People and houses were quickly washed away. That's why the remaining people, they were screaming loudly. The angry waters swilled into his friend's house neck deep. Angry water entered into his friend's house neck deep, up to neck. The water level increased. The building was of brick and mortar and was strong enough to survive the devastation of wind's velocity of 350 kilometers per hour. The building was brick and mortar. Okay, his friend's house was made of brick and mortar. Mortar means a building material made of lime and cement. Okay. That was strong enough to survive the devastation of wind's velocity of 350 kilometers per hour. The wind was blowing with speed of 350 kilometers per hour. But his friend's house was strong enough to survive. But the cold terror of family grew with the crashing of tree that had got uprooted and fallen on their house. Sometime in the middle of midnight, damaging its roof and wall. The family feared, or it was afraid, when a tree fell on the roof of that house, and when it damaged the roof and wall almost at middle of night. That time they were afraid. Let us stop here. We shall continue in the next session. Thank you for watching.